Welcome to This Explainer. Today, we're diving into a massive paradigm shift that's happening right now in the construction and real estate space. Look, for decades, this industry has relied on a fundamentally reactive model, right? You wait for a customer to realize they have a problem, wait for them to search for a solution, and then eventually they become a lead. But today, we're looking at how a platform called SHOVLD is completely turning that entire model on its head. We're talking about moving away from reactive lead gen and stepping into proactive signal intelligence.
So, let's start with a provocative thought. What would you actually do if you knew a homeowner needed a brand new roof 3 weeks before they even thought to search for a roofer on Google? What if you were literally the only one who knew they had a problem? When you can answer that question, you entirely change the economics of your business.
Section 1. The flaw in traditional leads. Let's look at why the current system is broken.
Here's the core problem we're all dealing with. The old way forces you to just wait around for someone to search, and then you pay a hefty fee. We're talking anywhere from $30 to $80 per lead. And the kicker? It throws you right into a dogfight. You're competing with 5 other companies who just bought that exact same lead. But the new way? It completely changes the game. An event happens out in the real world, AI detects that signal instantly, and you are the very first person to connect with that property owner. There's zero waiting, and more importantly, no immediate competition. Section 2. What is signal intelligence? Let's dive into how we actually fix this broken system. Enter signal intelligence. This is the real engine powering SHOVLD. It's the use of artificial intelligence to track, verify, and score construction opportunities from live data channels before they ever become a traditional lead. It completely flips the script. You're finding the opportunity way before the homeowner ever picks up the phone or types a search query. And to make this work at scale, this AI is constantly monitoring over 52 live data sources 24/7. It's automatically pulling in public records, emergency alerts, and municipal data the absolute second it becomes available. Plus, they aren't just looking for one narrow type of job. They check these signals across 113 different trade specialties. So, whether it's roofing, HVAC, plumbing, or electrical, the system is actively categorizing the data to match your specific business needs. Which brings us to this staggering number. Right now, across their 9 active markets, so we're talking states like Florida, Texas, California, and New York, there are over 1.8 million current signals actively being tracked. That is 1.8 million specific, actionable opportunities just waiting out there. But let's be real, having 1.8 million data points is totally useless if you don't know what to actually do with them. You're not just getting hit with a giant wall of raw data. The AI actually scores the urgency of every single signal on a scale from 1 to 10. See a score of 9 or higher? That means act right now. If it's a 6, you might just schedule a follow-up for later in the week. The technology is doing all the heavy lifting and triage for you. Section 3. Tracking opportunities in real time. Let's see how this translates to guaranteed business. Instead of hoping for a call, you are tracking actual verifiable events. Take permit filings, for example. If someone files a permit, it means they have the budget and the intent to build right now, not just some casual interest. Or think about code violations and unsafe structure orders. These are city-mandated repairs. The homeowner literally has no choice but to hire a professional. You can even track HOA meeting minutes, which are public record, to flag properties with required repairs weeks before a contractor is brought in. And obviously, storm and fire alerts let you respond to immediate emergency needs. This quote from Carlos Dan in Miami perfectly humanizes what this tech can do. He runs a restoration company, and he says, "We got a fire damage signal at 2 a.m. Our team was on site by 6 a.m. before the homeowner even called their insurance company." Just imagine the competitive advantage of being on site, ready to help, before the homeowner's insurance company has even had their morning coffee. Section 4. 4 industries, 1 platform. Let's break down exactly who benefits from this engine. SHOVLD serves 4 distinct industries through this one single platform. First up, contractors, finding homeowners before they even think to search Google. Second, public adjusters, utilizing NOAA and FEMA disaster alerts for massive storm claims. Third, restoration companies, getting emergency signals dispatched in under 60 seconds for water and fire damage. And finally, real estate investors, who use it to find off-market distressed properties by tracking things like deed transfers, HLOC filings, and expired permits long before a property ever hits the market. And getting all this set up is incredibly simple. Step 1, just select your industry and market. Step 2, those AI-scored signals hit your dashboard instantly. But my absolute favorite part is Step 3.
The platform provides pre-written outreach templates, calls, texts, emails, and they're already translated into 5 different languages. It even includes a full pipeline CRM with appointment booking. You literally just tap to connect. Section 5, breaking the pricing mold. Let's talk about the bottom line, because this completely disrupts the standard pricing model. Continually paying per shared lead drains your budget so incredibly fast. Legacy platforms like Angie or Thumbtack are going to charge you anywhere from $15 to $80 for one single lead. SHOVLD uses a flat monthly subscription, starting at just $99 a month for contractors and investors and $149 for adjusters and restoration teams. That flat fee gives you unlimited signals with absolutely zero per lead costs. It protects your margins entirely.
And this exclusivity completely transforms your close rates. While Angie sits around a 12% close rate and Thumbtack around 10%, with SHOVLD, the average close rate skyrockets to 34%. Why? It's simple. You aren't competing with 5 other trucks parked in the driveway. You are the first and only person reaching out to solve a verified problem.
Jessica, an HVAC contractor in Florida, sums it up perfectly. She says, "I was spending $1,400 a month on Angie for shared leads. Now I pay $99 for signals no one else sees." Her experience right there highlights exactly why this matters. She completely eliminated a massive bloated budget spent fighting over the exact same prospects and replaced it with a flat, exclusive advantage that goes straight to her bottom line.
So, to wrap up this explainer, I want to leave you with this final thought. The data's already out there. The permits are filed, the code violations are logged, the storm alerts are live. In a world completely full of real-time information, why on earth would you wait for the phone to ring and pay a premium to fight over a shared lead when the signals are already out there just waiting for you?